2,000 meters high, where the world turns white, and I arrive. The engine hums a mountain ways. I step inside and feel the weight of every eye that turns my way before I've said a single thing. Gold against the alpine white, every window frames a light. I walk the length from car to car, reading faces as I go. The snow outside the peaks above, the train cuts through like something loved. But inside here, they all know something gold is on the move. Feel it in the mountain air, feel it in the way they stare. Something warm is moving through the coldest place they've ever knew. Go through the Alps, moving like a story told. Go through the Alps, every face I pass goes cold. The mountain sings, the valley calls my name. Go through the Alps, and nothing looks the same. Go through the Alps, 2,000 meters high. Go through the Alps, underneath the alpine sky. Watch me walk from the first car to the last. Go through the Alps, the beautiful contrast. Face by face and car by car, each one wonders who we are. But they already know the goal before I reach their seat. Window light on champagne silk, the brooch that catches blue and spills across the snow-white world outside in perfect alpine beam. The banker waits at journey's end. He thinks the story has no bend, but I have read him car by car long before we meet. Feel it in the mountain air, feel it in the way they stare. Something warm is moving through the coldest game they never knew. Go through the Alps, moving like a story told. Go through the Alps, every face I pass goes cold. The mountain sings, the valley calls my name. Go through the Alps, and nothing looks the same. Go through the Alps, 2,000 meters high. Go through the Alps, underneath the alpine sky. White on white on white outside, gold on gold on gold inside. Every mountain, every mile, every face, my golden eye. 2,000 meters, no way down, the most beautiful game in town. I don't rush, I don't run, I arrive like the morning sun. Beautiful out, beautiful game, beautiful goal, always the same. Beautiful out, beautiful game. Roman Ashford, remember the name. Go through the Alps, moving like a story told. Go through the Alps, every face I pass goes cold. The mountain sings, the valley calls my name. Go through the Alps, and nothing looks the same. Go through the Alps, 2,000 meters high. Go through the Alps, underneath the alpine sky. Roman asphalt